If we take a single look at today's crypto world, we will quickly see that cloud mining is a hot topic in cryptocurrency mining circles. Do you know why? It's a potentially inexpensive way of mining bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. But most people hold back from mining platforms because of the insane prices and don't know the best and trustworthy mining software to work with. But here is good news for you. Social Miner's referral system. Social Miners allows you to earn Bitcoin just by keeping your computer powered on. Amazing, isn't it? Yes. All you have to do is download the Social Miners software, run it on your computer or server, and the system will run on autopilot to earn you Bitcoin while you take care of the other important things in your life. You can increase your earnings by inviting your friends to join you through your link. Yeah, you heard it right. Just share. All you have to do is get your referral link, share it with your friends, and continuously earn a certain percentage of commissions from their mining without affecting your friends' mining income. Our system can mine more than 25 different coins and will choose and switch between mining different coins for the most profitable combination, depending on the capabilities of your computer hardware. With our unique referral system, you can easily decide how much you want to earn. Simply invite your friends and start earning. And worry less about security and privacy, because we do not ask for personal information or deposits of any kind. So what are you waiting for? Download Social Miners today and invite your friends to start earning with you today. Do it now. You know sometimes later means never. Social Miners, meet you at the next level.